My name is Luís Ferreira and I'm a satellite system engineer. My typical day at Reflex is actually quite dynamic. I spend most of the day in discussions with people from different areas of the project, so structural engineers, thermal engineers, software developers. And this is actually what makes the job quite interesting for me, because it gives me the big picture of the project and make sure that I'm involved in every small subject of the mission. The challenge that I have to face every day are mostly related with this alignment between every subject of the mission. So you need to shift your mind between different topics, so from structure to software. You need to be capable of assimilating all the information that the people from your team is giving to you. And it requires a lot of organization to face all of these different topics and make sure that they are not forgotten in your final solution. The skills that I find more important for system engineer is the ability to listen to others and to assimilate the important information. So, as I mentioned, you spend the whole day discussing with people from different subjects, and you need to have the capability to understand them, to listen to them, and also to be humble, because a lot of them have a lot more years of experience than you. So you need to respect their position, understand what they want to tell you, but of course have the critical thinking to challenge their positions and also make sure that the mission, all of them are going to the same common ground and the mission is flowing in the proper direction.